Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this claw machine cockatiel. You will need 3 types of yarn. You'll need yellow, gray, and I used a peachy color. You could use orange as well if you needed to. You will need an 8mm hook, scissors, safety eyes. I used 9mm, but you can use 8mm as well, and a stitch marker. So yes, let me turn that camera around and we'll get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the magic circle, and we're going to do 6 single crochet. And we're just going to tighten this up. For some reason with this yellow yarn, I've got to kind of work it all the way tight. Okay. So there's our 6. Now we're going to do 6 increase, which will give us 12 stitches around. And there's 12. Okay, on round 3 and 4, we are going to single crochet around. That's 2 rounds of 12 single crochet. Okay. Now the last one, do not pull the yellow through. We are going to work the gray in. Pull that yellow tight. We're gonna secure it, so let's tie it off. And you can cut the yellow because we will be done with that. And I'm gonna tie it here. Now working the gray, we're going to do 12 single crochet around. Okay. Now we're going to do 3 single crochet. And then a mini bobble stitch. Pull through. Now 4 single crochet. And a mini bobble. That's your second wing. Pull through. Now 3 single crochet. Okay, now we're going to do 4 single crochet. On the 4th one, do not pull the gray through. This is where we're going to work in our peach color. If you don't have like a peachy orange, then you can just use orange. Pull the gray tight. We're going to go ahead and secure it. And I'm wrapped around. There we go. We'll do our mini bobble in the orange or peachy color. Pull the gray up, pull it through and tighten the orange and then tighten the gray down. Now we're going to do 3 single crochet. On the 3rd one, we are pulling the orange or peach color through. Pull your gray down to tighten it, And we're gonna do our mini bauble. Now we single crochet 3. Now we are going to put our safety eyes in between rows 3 and 4. Okay. Now we're going to do 6 decrease. Two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. We're going to cut that, pull it through. I'm going to go ahead and stuff. And then we're going to take our needle, and work our way through to close up this hole at the bottom. And then all the noise in our house travels. I've got a kid on the phone. Hopefully you're not picking up on that. And then we're going to take this gray, I just cut another piece off, and we're going to put the beak on. Right here. And just go around twice and go back through, whoops, wrong one. Now we'll tie. And cut. I'm going to cut there and the back. And just poke all those back in. Now we're going to take the peach color. And we're going to just go right under here, under the eyes. Just one stitch. And then back through. I went through the wrong one. Hang on. Let's see if I can make that work. I go right there. I'll tuck that in just a minute. I feel like I'm racing the clock. Okay. I'm going to cut that and tuck it in. Now we're going to take the yellow and we are going to insert the hook at the top. Go through the magic circle and come out between row 1 and 2. We're just going to slip stitch, pull that tight. Chain 3, slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain 2, and then working back the other way, I'm going to slip stitch. Cut and pull through. We're just going to tuck these back in. And tie and secure. Cut and then tuck it in. Now you have your cute little claw machine cockatiel. Thank you for coming and watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow so you don't miss anything in the future. I'll see you next time. Bye.